Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Representative of the Deputy Governor of Lagos State. She's the Permanent Secretary Office of the Deputy Governor. Please come put our hands together for Mrs. Yetunde Odejaye. Mrs. Odejaye, you're very welcome, ma. It's black. At least the people will not bother to sew trousers. I can just wear the blue on my black leg. And we are good to go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's the police and the youth saying no to courtesan, drug, and all the related from internet. When you take, according to them, those who have tried it, they say when you take it, it sends a signal to your brain and that was what one guy took in Ilorin. That the guy is smoking, only he just do on your mark, get set, go. 6 months later, when they go see him at Oshobo, the guy run past to the boat. And you know people when they smoke in boat, their work no they correlate. 4 people feed in the same place, they smoke in boat. As this one smoke, go pass to this one, that one smoke. As when they pass around, they get where it go reach. They are talking upon they mean anything to each other. This one just, oh boy, if I just see 1 million for grand. The other one smoke. Oh boy, I know like fail my exam tomorrow. How the 2 things stay join? Now waiting go fit cost. You know, I remember the first time one of my friends saying go try to smoke Igbo for the first time. They come to the group and then they pass around. This one will smoke. They'll pass on. Then they smoke. And it was the first timer. So as the thing was going around, he didn't know that they've lit another one. So this one go. He come discover saying hand no they fit stop again. That they don't lit like 4. So he don't they go. All of them they go. Meanwhile he get exam. Then they do exam for the school. You don't know say people when you go sit down with the smoking boat and mechanic they do. Now when they go high, they say, but when we write exam? And those ones say, we go the write exam, but we walk on top motor. They carry over when the guy get no the year. So we're saying no to drugs today. And you know, as much as people enjoy a little bit of alcohol, you know, at the same time, you have to know how to drink moderately. Because that was the same thing that happened. One guy got so drunk. Told his wife, say, baby, I want to go out.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe. Because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.